Next topic is in module 3, the last topic, interfacing simple switch and LED to IO ports. So this to switch on or off the LED with respect to switch status, that is, if switch is on, LED is on, if switch is off, LED is off. So this switch and LED should be interfaced with the IO ports of the microcontroller, and microcontroller will control the status of the switch, and accordingly the LED should on and off. So let us see how to do that. So before writing the program for this, you should know some basic things, and the basic things are: first point, 8051 microcontroller has 4 ports, port 0, 1, 2 and 3. So out of these 4 ports, any ports can be used as input or any ports can be used as output. So you should know how to make the port as input or output. To make the port as input, logic 1 should be given to the port pin, or to make the port as output, logic 0 should be given to the port pin. Say for example, if I take port 0, so port 0 is a 8-bit port. So out of that 8-bit, if I need to take a port 0.4, means the 4th bit or the 5th bit of the port 0, if I want to make that pin as input, then port 0.4 I should give a logic 1. Similarly, if I want 1.2, port 1.2, that is the second pin of the, or the third pin of the port 1, if I want to make it as output port, then logic 0 should be given to port 1.2 through the programs. So that is the basics of how we are making the ports as input or output. And in this, switch acts as input and LED acts as output. So if I want to control the LED through the switch from microcontroller, then what we need to do is, switch should be connected to the microcontroller and LED also should be connected to the microcontroller, but switch will act as input, LED will act as output. So if I connect the switch to one port, LED also should be connected to another port. I can use any ports. If I use port 0 for switch and if I use port 2 for LED, we can do that, or port 1 for switch and port 3 for LED, whichever you want, you can do it. This is the theory part. Next we have the program for this. They ask a 4 to 6 marks program, so very small programs will be there. We shall do the programs in the next video, but just remember that interfacing simple switch and LED to IO ports to switch on off LED with respect to switch status. This is a small topic, or the last topic of module 3, which you need to write in the notes. Randomly we will take some programs and we will do it in the next video.